Isn't it always fascinating to hear stories about how someone invested a couple of $1,000s into a cryptocurrency and turned that into millions of dollars? There are a lot of stories that one cracked any billion-dollar deal in the crypto market. Two brothers from New York invested about $7,900 into Shiba Inu, a coin created as a spin-off of Dogecoin, and their initial investment ballooned into nearly $9 million. Can you just imagine how big fish has been trapped in these brothers' net? So, do you also want to catch something big from this crypto ocean? Tell me in the comments section. So, welcome back to Crypto Trends. In today's video, you will get to know about how you can make 100 times the amount with tiny crypto coins in 1 week, and how's it going to change the investor's mindset. Let's see. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like and share the video. So the first and very basic question is, what is crypto? Crypto gems are cryptocurrency coins and tokens which are undervalued and out of the public eye, with the potential of delivering massive gains. These new coins often have a very low price, often under a cent each, and provide the possibility of great returns. Because these coins have a smaller total market capitalization, often just called a market cap, it requires a lot less market participation and volume to increase the value of these coins by 100x. For Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum, ETH, to do 100 times from where they are now, it would require hundreds of billions, if not trillions of dollars, of new money flowing into them. It is also important to be able to spot the scams from the legit coins. And even with legit coins, there's a high risk involved. If you had bought Polygon, Matic, or Terra, Luna, at its all-time low and sold them at their all-time highs, you would have made more than 900 times your money. And if you would have bought Hex at its all-time low and sold it at its all-time high, you would have made a mind-boggling 10,000 times. These are real numbers that very few fortunate investors were able to make with cryptocurrency. Over the last decade, Bitcoin has more than 1,000 times. It will continue to expand at a much quicker rate than traditional assets such as stocks, but will it 100 times from where it is now during the year's bull run? Most likely not. Altcoins are where the real money is at. Altcoins are an abbreviation for alternative coins. Although because some of them are still so little in terms of market capitalization, they are considerably more of a speculative investment than Bitcoin. The whole value of the cryptocurrency is simply referred to as its market capitalization. For example, if coin XYZ is worth $10 per coin, and there are presently 200,000 of these coins in circulation, the market capitalization of this coin is $2 million. Bitcoin's market capitalization is currently around $1 trillion. To put this in context, the market capitalization of gold, which is the cost of gold per pound, multiplied by the total pounds of gold mined, is roughly $11 trillion. If Bitcoin replaces gold this cycle, which is possible, the price of Bitcoin will roughly double. This is enormous. However, with lesser coins worth $10 million and aiming to become one of the top 50 cryptocurrencies, i.e. a $1 billion coin, the gains are practically 100 times. But how do you locate these cryptocurrencies? They are not available on Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase. There's a reason for this. Investing in cryptocurrencies is dangerous, and these large exchanges do not want to be connected with them. But there's more to it than that. Ethereum had a minor market capitalization at one point, but would you have been incorrect if you had invested in it when it was worth less than $1? No way, because we now know the purpose of Ethereum's smart contract technology, enabling ICOs and the sale of NFTs. So if you want to achieve these exorbitant gains in cryptocurrencies, you must step out and take more risks. I recently published a post on one altcoin that I believe has the potential to 100x here. However, I received complaints from some acquaintances about how difficult it was to purchase. While this may appear to be a problem, the more hurdles to entry and purchase the coin, the better. Because when they come to Binance or Coinbase, they will gain quick popularity and price increases. So ideally, you should attempt to invest in these altcoins before they become popular. In this video, I will discuss different methods for gaining access to these minor altcoins. Number 1 is Uniswap. If you've been following the DeFi craze, you'll be familiar with this one. To be honest, you should have been, but it's not too late. Just be aware that with the recent surge of thousands of additional users per hour, the Ethereum mainnet has significantly increased transaction throughput. because Ethereum mining and transaction approval is now based on a bidding mechanism. The fees you will pay to have your transaction authorized on time will be rather significant. However, if you pay the cost, Uniswap will provide you with the greatest amount of altcoins. Most legitimate cryptocurrency projects on the Ethereum mainnet ensure liquidity on Uniswap. Uniswap is one of the greatest locations to acquire access to smaller cryptocurrencies if you have some Ethereum in your wallet for fees, an additional Ethereum, or another token to trade. Second on the list is 1inch. Uniswap does not have adequate liquidity to exchange some tokens. In such instances, 1inch is one of the better solutions because it aggregates a number of other DEXs, or decentralized exchanges, such as SushiSwap, DeFiSwap, Uniswap, and others. Even though Uniswap has sufficient liquidity, if you are conducting a significant trade, typically worth up to $5,000, it will be worthwhile to use 1inch if it can give you a higher rate. This is because 1inch will perform some back-end wizardry and use all available DEX combinations to provide you with the best trade. Next in the list is Pancakeswap. You will see the primary issue with the previously listed decentralized exchanges once you use them: the charges. I've done trades that cost me upwards of $70. This makes every deal for less than $1,000 unprofitable, which might be intimidating to newbies. Fortunately, there is something called the Binance Smart Chain, and it is for this reason that the Binance cryptocurrency, BNB, is now ranked third in terms of market capitalization at the time of this video. Binance Smart Chain is Binance's attempt to make the Ethereum virtual machine, or EVM, interoperable, allowing smart contract technology and hence DeFi. It has performed admirably and to some extent competes with Ethereum in terms of usage. The key reason for this is that fees are much lower than on the Ethereum mainnet. Pancakeswap is the largest decentralized exchange on the Binance Smart Chain, and it works similarly to Uniswap. The sole distinction is that, unlike Uniswap or any other Ethereum-based decentralized platform, Pancakeswap does not require ETH for transactions as the native Binance token. However, if you purchase their token via Binance or Swiss Borg, you will save a lot of money on fees. Naturally, you'll be limited to trading altcoins on the Binance Smart Chain. Although there are fewer of them than Ethereum-based currencies, the list is nonetheless extensive and expanding. Next is HoneySwap. The HoneySwap, which is similar to the Binance Smart Chain, is another Ethereum alternative. HoneySwap is the largest DEX decentralized exchange for purchasing X-Day chain tokens, similar to Binance Smart Chain in that you save money on fees but have fewer options. And last on the list is Launchpads. You may be familiar with all the DEXs I discussed previously, but if so, I believe the following section will be of much greater benefit to you. If you've been around the block a few times, the next natural step is to take advantage of all the crypto Launchpad projects that are now accessible. Prior to the crypto revolution, only a few well-connected individuals in Silicon Valley, London, Singapore, or Hong Kong could invest in the most cutting-edge emerging technology. Obviously, cryptocurrencies carry a higher level of risk than Ethereum or Bitcoin, so please, DYOR, that's do your own research. But don't be afraid of them because, as I mentioned in the introduction, they have a higher price upside, percentage-wise, than larger coins. So I think we're at the end of our video, and I hope you enjoyed the video and it may be helpful in your crypto investment journey. If you liked the video, let me know in the comments section below and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.